Welcome to how to make PDF tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to make a PDF using your phone. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to open the Google Drive app, and then from the app you can actually click on New as you see here. Then you can click on Scan. Then click on Allow, and you can scan a document and press Capture. So this document that you captured will be saved as PDF format. So after you've uploaded an image to your Google Drive, you can click on it and then click on Print. And from here you can click on this and then click on Save as PDF. So that's how you can save an image as a PDF. Also, if you have a document that you want to change to a PDF, you can click on it and it will open in Google Docs. Then click on the three dots on the top right. Then click on Share and Export. Then click on Save As and choose PDF. Then click OK. Click on Save. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.